It's the second day on site here in Wakefield at St George's Community Centre, where we are refurbishing the kitchen and baby changing facilities. Today's work consists of the flooring going in as well as the wall cladding. The flooring and cladding has been provided and installed by Olsen Carpets and Flooring free of charge, so we're very grateful for those guys coming down and helping us with this project. The plumbing services have been provided by M&S Plumbing, whilst the electricians from GWE Services have also come down to help us with this project, so thank you very much, guys.
Well, the process first started when David and Matthew contacted me as a result of some work they'd done with another organisation. They wanted to work with a charity, and particularly a charity that did things with children. The organisation that they'd worked for actually put them in touch with me. I then spoke to Debbie about the possibilities of some work in our baby room. The changing area and small kitchen of the baby room had sort of had nothing done for a lot of years and was looking a bit tired and needed a bit of refurbing. They were talking about doing some decorating, and when we showed them round nursery, they looked in the baby room and said they could refurbish the kitchen, which were above our expectations, really, weren't they? Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
And then they said they could also do the baby change area. We had the environmental health out
just only probably
A few weeks before
we were
you made
contacted,
contact, yeah.
and it wasn't up to spec.
So we did know at some point we'd got quite a lot of work to do in that area.
Yeah, but the funds for something like that is not something that we budget for.
No.
So when it would have got done, I don't know really.
Well, during the process, I was off for 2 days and was absolutely amazed by how much had been done when I popped back in. And I know, Debbie, you were popping in every day, weren't you, and checking on progress, but it was amazing just how much work the guys managed to do in such a short space of time.
I mean, the guys were fantastic. They were there when they said they were coming there. They worked long hours and put a lot into it. And, well, I can't say any more than that. They were fantastic, really.
Yeah,
we were really pleased.
Worked very cleanly.
Yes,
and
they did,
tidily.
Yeah. We'd even got somebody from the admin team that was there glossing doors, and staff had commented about sort of what should come equipped to do the decorating, but yeah, they were all willing to sort of pull together to finish it.
I think it just proved it was a great team effort.
Well, the staff were really pleased because it was something that did need doing. Obviously, parents have commented, they'd noticed sort of the improvements, and parents have been in to have a look at the facilities. It would have been something that we could never have done ourselves.
We would just like to say a big thank you
Yeah, massive
to all
thank you.
all the staff involved, all the team.